Hi guys, and welcome to this comparison. This is a series of video clips to compare the rolling shutter between the RAW modes on Magic Lantern on the EOS M, which I'm filming this one right now, but in H.264. This is not specific to crop mode, but I am using the crop mode build currently. But one of the problems with quick movements is rolling shutter, and this applies to pretty much anything when it comes to a lot of data being written. So when you've got large file sizes and a lot of data being written, the way that the pixels are read are top to bottom, and you get this skewed effect, and is known as rolling shutter effect, because it's not capturing the whole image in one frame, it's reading it top to bottom. So if you make quick movements, as in these examples here, which are very quick whip pans, which are handheld, and this is not something you would normally do. These are very extreme and something that I've done for this experiment here. But this is just to show how extreme the differences between the rolling shutter between modes are. So for examples, we've got 5.2K 12-bit, 2.5K 14-bit, 2.8K 12-bit, and 1080p 14-bit, and then in addition, tacked on at the end, there's 1080p H.264, and just to see if there's a noticeable difference there. I personally think there's not a great deal of difference between the 1080 RAW and the H.264 in camera file, but the 1080p is definitely the best of all in terms of rolling shutter. So if you are planning to film any fast movement at all, any fast pans, then 1080p is definitely a go-to. Of course, that in itself has some downsides like moire and aliasing and such, but you know, there are workarounds and ways and means and all that kind of thing. But this hopefully will be a useful example for those of you who have read about the rolling shutter effect in some of the modes but aren't really aware of what that means. So hopefully this will be useful for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.